Also, just finished editing. If you haven't seen it yet, this video is out right now. My haul unboxing with sneakers and local streetwear, so be sure to check it out. Also, quick fit check for today. We have the Gunner tee featuring Travis Scott. Actually featured this in my latest episode in the channel. For the pants, you got the standard Dickies cargos, and of course, what's on feet? Jordan 4 taupe A's. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Currently here at Rhelle Hustle's place. You see a lot of sneakers ready, but I'm picking the top 5 underrated sneakers under $300. Let's get to it.
So my number 5 underrated pick under $300 is the SACAI Blazer Lows. They have this brown red colorway. They even have the green, gray, and white. And of course, my personal favorite would be the purple joints. Y'all see the different details on these from the variety of the materials. This is actually the SACAI cos pair with the cross marks here in the midsole, and y'all see the contrast of the leather and the suedes. The brown pair is mainly a suede makeup with a few leather hints, and of course double down laces, swoosh, tongues, and midsoles. This is a polarizing shoe overall, but in my opinion, a definite neck breaker on just how wild it looks. You can get this pair in the store right around the $8K range, so feel free to check it out. Once again, that's my number 5 pick, the SACAI Blazer Lows.
Definitely hoping to get this one re-released soon. The True Blue Freeze, man. True Blue Freeze. Hopefully they re-release again. Nike Air in the back, filled with elephant print. Such a dope sneaker.
My number 4 pick would be the undercover Nike Dunk High 85 because of how simple yet premium it looks upon closer inspection. You can really see like a nice tumbled leather used on the toe box, medial and lateral sides with a smooth, soft leather for the overlays. Of course, you have the contrasting white embossed details in German, chaos on the left, balance on the right. Lastly, you have the speckled blacked out sole. Now this model is based on that 85 Dunk High cut, and based on reviews and Nike suggestion, if you're buying this sneaker, I highly suggest going a half size up. Now they did release a black and red pair a few months back, and I do think they have it in the store, but I definitely prefer this all black pair, currently selling around 11K here. If you want that nice, simple, black looking, sleek Dunk High, this might be for you. Again, that's my number 4 pick, the Nike Dunk High 85 in the Undercover collab. My number 3 pick would be the Nike Dunk Lows in the Ugly Duckling pack, specifically the veneer and the ceramic. Now, I know you're probably sick of hearing about these dunks on your IG page, but these joints are it. I would much rather wear these neck breakers since they're so different from your standard white-based colorways of dunks nowadays. You got this really nice suede overall and a lot of loud yet complementing colors on these pairs. Definitely some standout colorways ranging around the 15K range. Again, that's my number 3 pick, the veneer and the ceramic dunks.
They even have the sneaker of the year right here, all shrink wrapped, ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful shoe.
Now moving on to number 2 would be the SACAI Undercover collab on the Nike Waffle. Now they probably ran this model with tons of colorways at this point, but for me, this is one of the best times to actually buy this model since this specific pack is ranging around the 13k to 15k price point. Definitely a lot more accessible than the first few colorways. Again, another neck breaker when it comes to the colorways as well on the model itself. You still get that SACAI vibe with a really nice pop of color, that leather toe guard, nylon base, suede accents, and double down segments of the shoe. Such a definite sleeper offering from last year's sneaker roster. Again, that's my number 2 pick, the SACAI Undercover collab on the Nike Waffle.
They even have one of my favorite Jordans right here. It's not in my size, it's in a size 13. The origin story. Thankfully I got mine already before the price blew up because of No Way Home, but man, that was such a sleeper pick way back then when it first released.
And last but not least, my number 1 pick would be the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex on that light bone colorway. Now, Carlo, there's so much better picks out there, but hear me out, hear me out. Jordan 1s are still hella hot right now, and for me personally, this is the perfect Filipino must-have Jordan. Why? Because you're getting a lot of function for your money back on this shoe as your daily driver, especially here in the Philippines where you only have 2 seasons. The lighter tones are perfect for that summer shoe, from that light gray overlay on the toes, eyelets, and that cream heel with the wing collar. And of course, you have that water resistant white mesh upper and leather overlays, perfect for the wetter months. Gore-Tex printed on the heel, and that black and cream translucent mix for the outsole. Now, they did release a darker tone variant on its initial release of the Gore-Tex ones, but I definitely prefer this pair's versatility when you're styling it, as well as its overall functionality on the weather here in the Philippines. Again, such a sleeper hit. My pick for number 1 is the Gore-Tex Jordan 1 on that light bone colorway. Again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I might do another underrated sneaker list. And I really enjoy making this video because it made me look at sneakers from the past few months and past few years that have really been swept under the radar just because of how many sneakers have been releasing throughout the months and years in this exciting time in the community. And if you're looking at an underrated sneaker perspective in this specific price point, for me personally, these are the ones to go if you're visiting Rhelle Hustle's place.
Well, that's it about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of your underrated sneaker pickups this 2022. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, shout out to Rhelle's crew for letting me shoot this day, even though it's a really chill Tuesday right now. Don't forget to check out Rhelle's store, open 7 days a week, right here at Araneta, Cubao. See you guys later. Peace.